I'm Terrell Lloyd, Canon Explorer of Light. I'm here at PayPal Park here in San Jose for the National Women's Soccer League Championship. I have two aspiring photographers that I'll be mentoring today to shoot more like a pro, what it takes with the latest camera gear and working in a soccer environment.
Hi, my name's Caitlin Weiss. I am a senior advertising student at San Jose State. I started photography probably back in middle school. My mom always kind of had a camera. She's very artistic, so she kind of passed it down to me and my brothers as well. So since middle school, I probably started doing more landscape stuff, but then transitioned into sports as me and my brothers played sports growing up too. Growing up as an athlete, I always wanted to play sports, but I wasn't able to play due to injury anymore. So being able to stay involved with athletes by taking photos of them has really been important to me.
Hi, my name is Janai. I'm a senior at San Jose State studying creative advertising. I'm just really excited to be able to shoot soccer. Growing up, I used to play, so it's just a big goal for me, and just being able to work alongside Lloyd and Caitlin today. I've been shooting since my senior year of high school, so 2022. I was in the yearbook, so there was a time where our photographer quit and someone needed to step up, and I was one of the editors, and I was also really close with the football coach. So the football coach just thought it was a great idea to have me be out there and just test my skills, and ever since then I just fell in love with it.
Some of the gear we're going to be using that I use when I'm shooting professional sports. First, we're going to have the EOS R1, the RF 7200 2.8L lens, the 15-35, the 400 millimeter lens, also the RF 100 to 300 2.8L.
I currently shoot on a Canon R6 Mark II, but I'm super excited to shoot on the R1 with some long lenses as well.
I'm really excited to use the 400. That's been one of the new lenses that I've been really wanting to try out recently, ever since I got to see someone else use it at another game.
These lenses are crisp. Everything is precise in the focusing. It's like just with the details in the image and the quality, even paired, like say, with the EOS R1 camera. I'm excited about giving back. I've been doing this for a long time, and you know, when you pay it forward and you teach them what you've learned mentoring the next aspiring photographer, right? You want them to make sure they understand how everything works. ISOs, f-stops, shutter speeds, lighting, positioning on the field, what's the best angle, what to look for, the emotion, the moment, the crowd, whatever's going on in the environment in the stadium today, or in the stadium that you're shooting, or in the arena. It's like, how do you really tell that story? I think it's a little brighter over here, so you may want to adjust your ISO a little bit, because even though we changed, exactly, because it's more here than compared to where we're at. So if I get, but see, like you can watch it in like real time though. I never thought about that. See, I learned a tip right there from you already on that one. Looks good though. I mean, yeah. All right, now it's getting intense, ladies. Great day today, having fun.
So much fun.
You know, so excited to be here. It's been a blast.
Thank you, Canon, for this lifetime opportunity.
Had a great time shooting the championship. Thank you again, Canon.
We love you, Canon!
For more tips and tricks,
Follow Canon USA.